Hey there, Steve Rubis with another installment of Capital Markets Investor Relations in 2 minutes or less. It's a beautiful Sunday in Chicago. It's the end of June, and I'm on location. Today, I'm at the beautiful JP Morgan building and the Marc Chagall wall behind me. Life threw me a curveball. It's under construction. But, June's been a great month. It started the month at NYSE National in Boston, and I ended the month at Truist's Digital Healthcare Conference in New York at the Park Lane, representing our company, 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝘁𝗏 HealthCare. And what I want to talk about in today's video is the idea of investor conferences and the value of having an investor relations professional that can attend a conference on his or her own. And I think a lot of companies sleep on this skill set or ability in an investor relations professional. And there's two things that happen for a company when an IRO can go and represent the company by themselves at an investment conference. First, it unlocks shareholder value. The IR person, if they know what they're doing and they're credible enough to speak on their own, they're going to unlock value because investors are going to believe what they're saying and are going to know that that investor relations person is credible and knows the information about the company that they want to learn. And number two, it's a force multiplier for the executive team at that company. If the IRO can go to a conference and speak credibly in one-on-one sessions, or even better, speak credibly in a company presentation session, or be on a panel, that is the ultimate, I think, in terms of competency for an IRO. And I was lucky enough to do that recently at Truist's conference, where I was on a panel about following the patient remotely and was able to represent 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝘁𝗏 HealthCare and what we do with patients in acute care telemedicine. And I think, to me, the other piece is this is probably the most exciting part of investor relations for me, is being able to go to conferences, meet with some of the smartest investors you're ever going to meet, and really get to learn more about your company, more about the industry, and just learn from a lot of really intelligent and smart people. And what I want to end the video with is this idea that, I believe that, oratory skills and the ability to present publicly seems to be one of the most overlooked and undervalued skill sets in investor relations. I mean, I know I'm able to speak publicly. I get a lot of good comments about the panel I was on at NYSE, the panel I was on at Truist, but what I can say throughout my career is no one cares. There's no value ascribed to this ability to orate or provide coherent thought in a public presentation setting. And if you're a public company executive, you should stop sleeping on the value of an IRO's ability to speak publicly and represent your company, because if they can do that, it's going to unlock shareholder value. Thanks for watching.